Welcome to Skills and Academic Tuition Center. In this video, we are going to look at this particular question which we have, which is an extract from 2023 GCE Science Paper 1 and basically question 8. So the question reads, Figure B8.1 shows an electric circuit with 5 ohms resistor R connected to a 12 volts supply. So what we have here is a circuit diagram, and S here is a switch. Then we have R, which is the resistor. Then our V here, this is the voltmeter, and the A there, that is the ammeter. So we have those items there. So it's very important to understand the diagram before beginning to calculate. So we have 12 volts and we also have 5 ohms given there. So the first question, which is A numero 1, is saying calculate the reading of the instruments labeled A and V. So we have this instrument which is labeled A, and we have this instrument which is labeled V. So we calculate the reading of those instruments. So we start with instrument A. So instrument A, so numero 1. So instrument A, this is the ammeter. So in short, we are calculating a reading of the ammeter. So we are calculating the current in the circuit. So in order to calculate current in the circuit, we are going to say current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. So voltage divided by resistance, and our voltage given there is 12 volts. Then the resistance that we have is 5 ohms. So when you divide this one, you're going to have 2.4 amps as the current in the circuit. Then instrument V, that is the voltmeter. So what we are going to do is we make V the subject of the formula. So voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance. So our current here is the calculated, the 2.4 amps, and the resistance given is 5 ohms. Then what do we have? We're going to have 12 volts. That is what we are going to have. We move on to number 2, which is saying, what is the cost of using resistor R for 6 hours a day for 30 days? If power costs 13 ngwe per kilowatt hour, so what is going to be the total cost? Okay, so in order to get this one, we'll say number 2. So we'll say energy is equal to power multiplied by time. So the energy here is in kilowatt hour, then power supposed to be in kilowatts, and time in hours. So power is equal to voltage times current. So our voltage is 12 volts multiplied by current, which is 2.4 as calculated, multiplied by time. So the total time taken for 30 days. So we have 6 hours multiplied by 30 days. Okay, so now when we multiply here, when we say 12 volts multiplied by 2.4, we're going to have 28.8 watts multiplied by 6 multiplied by 30, we're going to have 180 hours. Power is supposed to be in kilowatts. So we divide this one by 1000, we convert it. So we're going to have 0.0288 kilowatts multiplied by 180 hours. It will give you 5.184 kilowatt hours. So this is the total energy. So now here, what is the total cost? Because that is what we are calculating. So total cost is equal to total units multiplied by cost per unit. Total cost multiplied by cost per unit. So the total units is 5.184 kilowatt hour multiplied by 15 ngwe. So when you multiply that one, you are going to have 77.76 ngwe. This will be the total cost. Or you can have it in kwacha or write it in kwacha. So in kwacha, you divide 77.76 ngwe into kwacha by dividing it with 100. So when you divide with 100, you are going to have 0.7776 kwacha. So either this one or that one. Those are some of the acceptable answers. So this is how you calculate the cost of units given the amount per unit.